Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Do you believe the number of carbs in your diet is more important than calories? In this video, I'll share the sources of food calories, what are carbs, processed versus natural carb calories, carbs, diabetes, and weight gain. There are four sources of calories: carbohydrates, protein, fat, and alcohol. Fat and alcohol provides almost twice the calories of carbohydrates and protein. Carbs are classified as sugars, starch, fiber, and sugar alcohols. Fiber is not absorbed and provides 0 calories. Unlike artificial sweeteners, sugar alcohols are not 0 calorie. The primary source of carbs is plant foods. But plant foods are not 100% carbohydrates. Nuts and seeds have more fat than carbs. Cooked beans are about 25% carbs and 65% water. Infamous starchy foods like potatoes are about 20% carbs. Cooked pasta, about 30%. Cooked rice is also about 30% carbs. Most animal foods have little or no carbs. Animal milk and milk products are 1 to 5% carbs. Numerous viewers have commented that I endorse high-carb natural foods. There's a significant difference between highly processed and natural carb foods and beverages. Most prepared foods have more calories per gram than natural foods. 1 ounce of blueberry cookies has 100 calories and 21 grams of carbs. It takes 5 ounces of fresh blueberries to obtain 21 grams of carbs. Research shows diets high in refined carbs increase the risk of weight gain and type 2 diabetes. People eating natural, so-called high-carb foods are rarely overweight or develop type 2 diabetes. In the U.S., the number of adults with type 2 diabetes has increased exponentially since the 1980s, as more people replace home-cooked foods with prepared foods. The number of children with type 2 diabetes is also increasing. Diabetes is a medical condition where too much sugar circulates in the blood. Too much blood glucose is not only bad, it can be fatal. In most cases, the excess glucose is not due to natural carbs. For decades, low-carb diets have condemned white potatoes as high carb. As I've shared, potatoes are about 30% carbs. 7.5 ounces of boiled potatoes has 185 calories and 42 grams of carbs. Low-carb diets limiting carbs to 50 grams or less per day, 42 grams is high. Compared to a jumbo donut, the potatoes have less than half the carbs and 1/6 the calories. For a 2,000 calorie diet, which food is likely to cause weight gain and type 2 diabetes? Most fad diets eliminate highly processed foods, but their rationale is carbs, not calories. Too many people make a meal out of high-carb foods they should eat in moderation. Supersizing portions increases the number of carb calories, contributing to the problem. You can blame high-carb buns and potatoes, but millions of people eat the same carbs without gaining weight. Eating a 1,400-calorie meal when your body needs 700 calories means the excess calories will become body fat. Using portion control, You can eat the same high-carb foods for a fraction of the calories. Convenience usually comes with a price. The price is weight gain and serious chronic illnesses. Simply replacing carb calories with fat and protein calories may reduce blood sugar, but it will not reduce body fat. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.